Samsung Galaxy A32 renders have surfaced online, showing a 6.5-inch display and a quad rear camera setup. The phone has been in the news for quite some time now, and recent case renders showed a triple rear camera design. Samsung Galaxy A32 appears to have a plastic body with a flat back and a flat display. As of now, Samsung has not shared any information on the Galaxy A32, but it is expected to come with 5G support. As per the alleged renders posted by Steve Hemmers offer aka on Leaks on Voice, the rumored Galaxy A32 may come with a 6.5-inch display that has a notch for the selfie camera. The plastic back panel can be seen with a quad rear camera setup. The camera sensors appear to be sticking out directly from the back panel without any camera module. 3 sensors are aligned vertically, and a 4th sensor is located next to them, below the flash. The renders show relatively thick bezels around the display of the Galaxy A32, and the phone is expected to measure 164.2 x 76, 1 by 9.1 mm. Hemmers' offer states that the fingerprint scanner is integrated into the power button, and the phone has a 3.5 mm headphone jack, as well as a USB Type-C port. The renders show a wide back panel that may or may not end up being the final color variant for the phone. Last week, alleged case renders of Samsung Galaxy A32 showed a triple rear camera design with dual flash next to the vertically aligned sensors. It looks like one of the flash modules was a 4th camera sensor. Back in July, the rumored Galaxy A32 was tipped to come with a 48-megapixel primary camera and have 5G support. As of now, Samsung has not shared any information on the Galaxy A32, but in January this year, the company had reportedly filed trademark applications for names of 9 smartphones in the Galaxy A series, with Samsung Galaxy A32 being one of them. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more video like this.